Good morning, students. So, today let's start with our first chapter of EVS, that is Poonam's Day Out. So, students, here in this lesson, we will learn about different animals that we see in nature which are seen by Poonam in this lesson. Poonam is a girl about whom we are talking. Okay, so let's start with the first chapter. Poonam's Day Out. Ma, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days. I am getting bored, said Poonam. So here there is a girl whose name is Poonam and she is telling her mama that please let her go to school because she is at home from the last 2 days and she is getting very bored. But you still have fever. Go outside and lie down on the cot. But what did her mom told? Her mother said that you have fever and so you cannot go anywhere. You just have to go outside and lie down on the cot. Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Suddenly, something fell on her face. Oh, now what happened, students? Poonam fell asleep. There was a cot outside Poonam's house and she fell asleep. When she was sleeping, something fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Now what happened? When Poonam was sleeping, something fell on her face and so she suddenly woke up and touched her cheek. Oh no! Whose mischief is this? Is it the crows or the pigeons? It seems it's a crows. Now, when she woke up and touched her cheek, she thought that, oh no, whose mischief is this? Is it a crow's or a pigeon's? And then she thought that surely it is a crow. There was a tree above the cot where Poonam was sleeping. You understand, students? See, Poonam was sleeping outside her house on the cot and there was a tree above the cot where Poonam was sleeping. Now what happened? Poonam looked up. Where did she look? She looked up. She saw many animals on the tree. Now, which animals can you spot on the tree in the picture? Write down their names. See now, students, as you can see here, there are many animals on the tree. Which tree? The tree which was above the cot where Poonam was sleeping. See which animals you can see here. There is a monkey, pigeon, manna, squirrel, butterflies, parrots and crow. These are the animals which Poonam saw on the tree. Where did she saw? She saw all these animals on the tree. Now what happened? Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. Now, as there was something on Poonam's face, she was not feeling good. So what did she do? She picked up a leaf from the ground and started wiping her cheeks with it. But what happened? Her cheek was still dirty. Her cheek was still sticky. It did not get clean. So, what she thought? She thought, let me go and wash myself in the... What she thought, students? She thought that let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. So there was a pond near Poonam's house and as her face was not getting clean, she thought that to go near the pond and clean her face with the water. Now see, students, here you can see a lot of animals. Which are the animals which you can see near the pond? See, there is a goat eating the grass. Then there is a tortoise. Then there are buffaloes having bath in water. Okay. Then see, there is a crane sitting on the buffaloes. Then frogs are hopping and jumping in the water. And then see, you can see on the right side there is a animal with red legs. And what is it called? It is called a stork. So these are the animals which Poonam saw in the pond. Now see, which animals did Poonam see at the pond? Look at the picture and write their names. So, which animals did Poonam see in the pond? Poonam saw a tortoise, a goat, a crane, buffaloes, frogs, and stork. Okay. Now see, students, there are different animals with different shapes, different colors, different way of walking. There are a variety of animals you see around in the nature. Okay, and these are all the animals which Poonam saw in the pond. Where did Poonam see these animals? She saw in the pond. You understand, students? Now further, can you act like the animals seen at the pond? Can you, students? Which animal makes what kind of sounds and movements? Try to make similar sounds. Now, can you act like the animal, students? Yes? See, for example, different animals makes different sounds and movements. Okay. Now see, for example, goat. Goat says meh meh. Buffalo grants. Then a frog says croak 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 croak. In the similar way, you can make similar voices of animals and enjoy. Now, different animals move in different ways to go from one place to another. Okay. Some animals walk, some crawl, some fly, and some swim. For this, now see, different animals goes in different ways. They walk in different ways, they fly in different ways. In the same way, they go from one place to another. For that, some animals use their feet, some animals use their wings. For walking, animals use their feet. For flying, animals use their wings. Some animals even take the help of their tail. What? Tail. For example, a fish. A fish can go from one place to another by swimming. How can a fish go from one place to another, kids? It can go by swimming. So, it uses its tail to go from one place to another. It uses its tail to go from left side to right side. Its tail helps it. Okay. Fish can go from one place to another with the help of its tail. Okay, students. Now see, let's see some examples over here to understand this in a better way. See, you must have seen many animals too, right? Which of them? You must have seen a variety of animals which can walk, which can fly, which have wings, which have feet. A lot of different animals, right? Let's go through them. Now, which animals can fly? A parrot, crow, sparrow, pigeon. These are the animals which can fly to go from one place to another. Okay. Then which animals can crawl? A snake crawls because it does not have feet. Lizard, crocodile, turtle. These are the animals which crawls, and because they do not have feet, so they cannot walk. So they crawl and go from one place to another. Now, which animals can walk? So students, here n number, like many maximum animals can walk. Okay, let's take some of the examples. See, a dog, horse, cow, cat, tiger, lion, buffalo, bear, etc. There are many animals which can walk. Now, which animals can hop? So, hop means jump. Which animals can jump or hop? They do not walk. They just hop and jump and hop and jump and go from one place to another. So, which animals hop? A frog can hop. Kangaroo hops. Grasshopper. Okay. So, like frogs, if you would have seen in the monsoon season, you can see the frogs hopping and jumping in the water. In the same way, the kangaroo, grasshopper, these are the animals which can hop. Now, which animals have wings? Now, the animals which fly has wings. Without wings, the animals, of course, cannot fly. So, many animals can fly. For example, eagle, parrot, sparrow, all these animals have wings. Now, which animals have feet? These are the animals which have wings. Now, students, which animals have feet? Ox, cow, bear, dog, buffalo, cat. All these animals have feet, and so they can walk. They can run and go from one place to another. Now, which animals have a tail? A dog has a tail, a cat has a tail, a monkey has a tail, a cow, a buffalo. These are all animals which has a tail. You understand, students? Yes. These are the different types of animals which can walk, which can fly, which can crawl, which can hop. They hop and go to one place to another by different ways and styles. These all animals have different ways and different styles to go from one place to another. So now students, here animals live in different places. Now as you live in your houses, animals also live in different places. Some animals live in the trees, some in water, some live on land, some live under the ground, and some fly in the sky. So animals also have different places to live. So here some animals lives in the trees. Now see, for example, you can say sparrow. Sparrow lives in the tree. She builds her nest in the trees and lives over there. Then some lives in water. Fish lives in water. Then some lives on land. Dog, cat, these are the animals which lives on land. Now some lives under the ground and some fly. Now see, here students, here I can tell you something about a tortoise. Now where does a tortoise live? A tortoise live in the water and also on the land. There are two types of tortoise. One which lives in land and one which lives on the land. Sorry. And one which lives in the water. So tortoise lives on both land and on water. Now, which animals fly in the sky? The animals which have wings, they all can fly in the sky. Eagle, pigeon, parrot, crow, sparrow, these all animals can fly in the sky. Now, some animals even live in our houses. So here students, what do we mean by some animals which lives in the houses? The small tiny cockroaches, lizard, these are the animals which we see sometimes in our houses. They live in our houses. You understand, students? So students, did you understand that there are many different kind of animals which live in water, live on the land, which is on the tree, which can fly, who can crawl, who can walk, and there are many different variety of animals which can walk and fly. So, I hope that you understood the lesson very nicely. Okay, students, thank you.